Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. I'm super excited for today's video because we're going to be installing some E30 coilover, guys. As you can tell, I'm wearing a big coat and some multiple hoodies because it's super cold, but I still want to install the coilovers today. So I'm gonna start out with the rear. I backed up the car in the shed garage because I didn't want to work outside since it's super windy, guys. And I'm super excited, so let's take a look on the E30 coilovers. Alright guys, so here is the coilovers. Like I said in the last video, I was gonna go with a cheaper route. These are Racelands. They were only $400, so it's not that bad. And plus, we're not gonna be daily in the E30. It's mainly gonna be sitting in my parents' driveway, so yeah, I don't think I need some good coilovers right now. But eventually, when me and Thomas start taking it to like car shows that are far away, we're definitely gonna be upgraded to better coilovers. But for right now, I think this E30 just deserves some Racelands. I don't know what is this. Let me try to see if I can open it. I think it should be like a keychain or something. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little keychain with a little coilover. It's pretty sick. I'll probably put it on the E30 keychain. So here's the E30 without being lowered. Man, I love how E30 looks, guys. I love the square shaped body BMWs. But let's waste no time and let's start jacking up the car. That way we can get the rear done and we can see what's the difference between the Racelands. I want to see how low the Racelands get you. Alright guys, another reason I am replacing the coilovers is because, as you can tell, that looks so wrong, but there's a lot of play with the back and the front. I don't think these wheels has ever been taken off, so I'm gonna just, that worked better than that thought, but alright guys, so I just did my research and I saw what I gotta do. It's not too hard for the rear, like I said, so let's get right to it and I'll show y'all guys what I'm doing. Alright guys, so you're gonna have to take this 19mm bolt. It's kind of hard to take out. I was struggling with it for a little bit, but it came out, and now you just take the whole bolt out. That was a struggle, but we got it out. Alright guys, so now I'm just taking the two last shock bolts out. It should come out, but it's just very hard to get to. But good thing I'm a small guy and I can fit under here. Alright guys, so here's the old shock and here's the new shock. You can tell it looks a little bit better. It's gonna look a little bit better. Like me and Tom were talking about, we're gonna upgrade the rotors to the 3-hole rotors, so it can be silver, the brake lines, and some brake lines, some stainless steel brake lines. But here's the old spring, and here's the new spring. It looks a little bit better with painted red. So we're about to go ahead and reinstall everything, and let's see how low it goes. Alright guys, so we just put the top hat on. It's pretty good now. And I just want to show you how the old shock is so blown. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Goes down with no problem. This shock is pretty much useless. But now I'm about to go ahead and reinstall everything, and hopefully turns out good. I'm super excited. Alright guys, I just finished installing the rear coilovers, and I'm surprised how well Raceland gets you low. Let's just take a look and you'll be the judge, guys. Look how low that car looks compared to the front ones. You can tell, you see that gap. And these are on 14s, I believe. That's the wheel size for the E30, and this car looks super low. Thomas, stand right beside the car and see how how low it is compared to Thomas.
That's weird low.
It's almost to Thomas, you know. It's super low. All right guys, so it's the next day. I couldn't finish the fronts yesterday because it started raining really hard and it was really cold, but we're gonna try and knock it out today. We are supposed to be getting rain in a couple hours, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. But here's a look at the E30 one more time. Surprised how low it looks with 14s, but I'm not gonna waste no time and I'm gonna go ahead and start installing these bad boys. All right guys, so I did my research. All I gotta do is just take the brake caliper, which is 2 bolt, the control arm bolt, the axle bolt, and 3 bolts on top, and the whole assembly should come off. Like I was saying, this is not like a regular coilover where you could just take out the whole strut out. This gotta come out with all the brakes and the rotors and everything, so that kind of sucks, but we'll get it done. Alright guys, so me and Thomas are heading to AutoZone. I think we're gonna see if they got some spring compressors, and then I'll pick up the video once we got them, and hopefully everything goes smooth and we can have these coilovers installed by today, and hopefully we can take out the E30 to like a park or something. Like, you know, I don't have insurance or tags in the E30, so I'm gonna be risking it, but I'll do everything for the video. So hopefully we can find a nice spots to get some dope ass cinematics, and pretty much that's it. I'll pick up the video once I have the spring compressors. All right guys, so the first top hat is out. Now all we gotta do is just remove the spring and reinstall everything for the new coilover, and we should be good. So let's get right to it. All right guys, so yesterday I finally finished installing the front coilovers. I didn't record as much because I think it was useless. It was dark and you couldn't see the footage, but it looks like it's about to rain again today, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and end the video, get a couple cinematics and get some roller shots and take it for a test drive. So let's just take a look on the E30. It looks really low. So the last little part I bought for the E30 are some Euro style grills. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but for my model it came with the headlights right here. It cuts, but right here it got the whole filler on the side. So I think this is gonna look pretty good, make it a little bit more Euro-ish, and let's go ahead and install it. All right guys, so here is the difference between the Euro grills. Don't mind this broken headlight. Me and Thomas are buying some smiley headlights soon, but I don't know if you can see the design right here. You fill in the gap, and with the regular ones there's no gap in between right here, and plus these are faded, and this one looks way newer, more aggressive. So let me go ahead and change this one, and then we can take a whole look on how the car looks. All right guys, so I'm in the E30 right now. Me and Thomas are driving to a park that's local to my parents' house. So hopefully we make it there. He's following me in his 335i, and I don't want to get pulled over because I have no insurance, no tags in this car. So I'm risking it all for the video, but as you can tell, I'm in the road in the E30. She drives pretty smooth, but it is a little bit rough, but I think we'll be fine to just drive to the park. So here goes the E30, finally out of my parents' driveway. We're finally seeing the E30 in a different place, actually running and looking lowered. I think this car looks super good, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. We do got a lot of Euro parts coming for this car, but it's coming off from Germany, so it's gonna take a while. That's why I haven't uploaded in like a month, because I've been waiting for some Euro parts. So stay tuned guys, now it's time for the cinematics, and hopefully they turn out fire. Let's get it. guys, so we're about to go ahead and do the outro. Let me know what you think about. That shit scared the Alright guys, that scared the shit out of me, but I'm about to go ahead and record the outro because we're already done lowering the E30. Let me know what you think about the Euro grills and also about how the E30 looks lowered. The wheels should be coming soon, but we don't want to get some rep wheels for the E30. We want to get some real BBS, so we're in the looks for that. But we do got an MTech 2 bumper coming, so expect for that video to come soon. So let me know what you think. I love the E30, guys. This is gonna be one of my best builds, so subscribe if you're new for more E30 content and more E46 content, because I am planning to make an E46 video. But with that being said, guys, it's been Cervantes Garage. As always, stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.